But before COVID, I've always felt like the 7 years before COVID, songs have gone missing, like famous songs. These capital cities, I just love it, and I don't remember the last time I've heard it. I remember hearing it back in 2016, 17. So here it is. We'll be listening to it. Sorry, guys. Sorry if I'm passing too early, but I'm just excited to hear the song again. It just brings back, it takes me back to the last part of my life when I had peace, I think. Our life was comparatively better than it is today. Before responsibility got track. Safe and sound. I wish it was the case. And the video too. Guys, the video is also awesome. Beautiful video. You- I know people who haven't heard this song. That's the wild part.
I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I can fill your cup. You know my river won't evaporate. This world we still appreciate. You could be my luck. Even in a hurricane of frowns, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
So I forgot to pause. I don't know what to say. It's like so much going on and so many memories coming back. Yeah, it's awesome. No curse words, no swearing, no nudity, just safe and sound and just enjoying the. I'm wondering what made them write this song, safe and sound. It's just a very, very uh, random song to write, but it just makes it almost feels like they truly, truly believe that they are safe and sound, and that energy kind of radiates through the song.
We're safe and sound. I could show you love.
So,
In a tidal wave of mystery, you'll still be standing next to me. You could be my luck. Even if we're 6 feet underground, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
something changed. I don't want to sound cliche, but like every something happens, and I don't want to sound cliche, but I really think something happened to music after COVID. Obviously, it alters our perception on life, and that influences music. But somewhere I feel like it's more sad these days. All the music is pretty sad, and yeah.
I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound.
The level of faith you need to have to say, even if we're 6 feet underground, Even if the sky is falling down, we'd be safe and sound. That's why I wondered, like, what made him write the song.
We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
Or the
We're
night.
safe and sound.
I don't know which dance that is,
We're
but
safe and sound. We're safe and
I
sound.
feel safe and sound, safe enough to sleep. Guys, to be honest, this is the most uh, sound I felt enough to go to bed with a calm heart, listening to this song.
We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound.
That's it for now, guys. Ah, yeah, in the comments, please do let me know what music you want me to react to next. And if you have any memories connected to this song, let me know that too. I'm sorry, I'll repeat it again. Like, if you have any comments, please let me know how what I should be reacting to next, or any experiences or memories related to the song or that part of life, 2016s, 15s, 14s, I guess. I think it was 2012, 13, 14, 15. Never heard it after that. Not even 15. Stop now. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So that's it for now. Have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you're watching from. Bye. See you next time.